Managing successful international paid search campaigns can be challenging. Adding multiple languages, keywords, currencies, and cultures into the mix makes almost every part of managing a PPC campaign more complicated. To meet the complexity of international paid search, marketers need access to flexible bid management, budgeting, and reporting tools, as well as structured campaigns, accurate performance tracking, and timely response to market shifts. Not to mention close relationships with search engines and localization experts to make sure that nothing gets lost in translation. Let's take a look at a successful international PPC effort. A leading luxury retailer and long-standing impact client wanted to expand its paid search reach into 8 new markets within the European Union. Their goal was to build a successful holiday campaign in these regions within 4 short months, all on a limited budget. We started with a test for branded PPC in both English and in the country's native language, then later expanded into non-branded terms. We allocated the same spend to each account to develop a baseline of performance across all the campaigns. After establishing this foundation, we then analyzed each individual campaign and benchmarked them across all other EU campaigns to identify the top performing countries. Based on the results, we recommended that the client only fund branded terms for low-performing campaigns in order to allocate more budget to non-branded terms and higher-performing campaigns. We then used the budget from non-branded campaigns in low-performing countries for the 2 highest-performing campaigns, Germany and Italy. Through this, we were able to further increase brand awareness and conversions in these regions during this important seasonal peak. This strategy gave us insight into exactly where we needed to be to allocate the most budget during the holiday season. And this knowledge led to some pretty significant results. For our non-branded native language campaigns, we increased impression levels by more than 2,000% and clicks by more than 1,000% for phrase match campaigns. For our branded campaigns in English and native languages, we achieved 90% ROI growth for the Italian exact match campaign and an outstanding 162% ROI increase for the German phrase match campaign. We achieved these international successes thanks to the powerful and flexible paid search tools at our disposal, the skill and knowledge of our account teams, and the close relationships we built with the stakeholders, both here in the US and in the EU.